There's a pure water and soft wash system. ProTool sitting in the back of a short bed F-150. You've got your detergent tank, surfactant, and then your water leveling tank for the soft wash, carbon filter, and DI filter for 2 ROs, 1.7 to 2 gallon a minute with an RO pump in the background. Our breaker for that, and the TDS meter, your output reel for 200 feet of output hose, along with your 2 pumps for soft washing, up to 7 gallon a minute. And then here is the trident for water, bleach, and surfactant for mixing up that from the 50 gallon bleach tank in the back. And output off the side of the reel here, over the side delivery. So soft wash delivery and pure water delivery reels. There is room to stick a small input reel if you wanted to on the back of the truck. So ProTool.
Dual use skid, soft wash, and pure water system for water fed pools.
All in one skid off the back of your truck.